Do you want a piece of the mainland? If yes, this studio apartment and mini flats which I'll be touring today is exactly what you're looking for. Live in Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria, I present to you this impeccable studio apartment and mini flat which is fast selling out on the market just for you. This property is crafted, it's built, it's given a lot of attention just for you. We know exactly what you want. We know exactly your request, what you've been looking for, what you've been talking about, what you just want. So that is why we bring your dreams to you. You can key into this project, which is fast selling, which is fast going. And today, I'll be taking you on a tour to see exactly what your expectation will get you, what we bring to you. If it's not your expectation, well, this is the expectation that we have. So yeah, it's a tour of this one-bedroom apartment in Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria. So you have the living section right here in the space. Well, it isn't too big, but it is very nice, especially for those who are looking at investment, who are looking for the short-let investment or a place to stay whenever they are just around the Surulere vicinity. They just want somewhere really nice, really cozy, secured. This is the perfect investment for you. This the living room. It doesn't come with all of those furnitures that you're seeing right here. None of those furnitures and hold not, but it comes with the chandelier. It doesn't come with the AC. Of course, all the units. It doesn't matter what you're subscribing to. They all have a balcony just like this, and of course, they have a guest toilet here in the section. So if you're buying into the mini flat, there are two toilets, so your guest doesn't need to enter the room to access the restroom. And it has an open kitchen section, which you can see right here. It doesn't come with a cooker, but it comes with all of this cabinetry, included a sink. It doesn't come with the refrigerator and the fridge, but it comes, there's an inbuilt heat extractor right there. So if you're cooking, you don't have any problem with the smoke, there's an heat extractor there. So it comes with this cabinet right here. Also, if you're keen into this project, good to say that it's not 100%, but it has some smart features. For instance, you have your smart lock. You need an access key to be able to access your unit, which is really good, right? And we have amazing infrastructures in this building, which is currently ongoing. We have a gym house. It comes with 24 hours electricity, comes with 24-hour security, and every unit comes with its own special inverter. So that means you have access to 24 hours light. So aside your inverter, you have access to NEPA lights, and likewise access to generator. So this is the bedroom section right here. It doesn't come with a mattress. This is just like a sample for you to see when you want to furnish your own unit. But it comes with this wardrobe right here. Ta-da! It comes with this wardrobe. Yes, and it comes ensuite too. You have your toilet and bathroom section right here. Do you want a piece of this? I know you do. All you need to do is to make a down payment of 10 million naira and spread the remaining 4 months. However, all the finished units are completely sold out because we have a lot of subscribers keying into this project every now and then. So all those finished units are sold out. What we have left is an ongoing project that is offline. Yes. So we have in 2 different locations right here in Surulere. We have one just around, very close to the stadium, very close to a Joyleg, but then we have the other just off Ogulanos Drive. If you want more details, more specific details, all you need to do, you know what to do, is to call me or call Estate Informant right there on the number showing right there on your screen, and we'll give you all the full details about this property, what to expect when you came to this project. Before I round up the store, I'll show you what a studio apartment looks like. Follow me. Let's take a quick tour of the studio apartment. Let's go in. Let's go. So here is the studio apartment. All the space. So this is just a sample. Like I said, all the units here are sold out, but this is what to expect once you came into our project, which will be delivering to you right in October 2024. So it doesn't come fully furnished like this. It doesn't come with a mattress, it doesn't come with a chair, it doesn't come with the AC, it doesn't come with a TV, none the TV console. It doesn't come with a fridge as well, but it comes with the kitchen cabinetry. It doesn't come with a cooker, of course. It comes with the heat extractor. It comes with this wardrobe right here. So it also comes with this wardrobe also right here for you to be able to store things. And likewise, it comes with, of course, a balcony. I told you all the unit comes with balcony, whether it is the mini flat or the studio apartment. And here you have your toilet and bathroom right here. Take a look. Oh, now this is beautiful. This is really good. Like I said, all you need to do is to make a down payment of 10 million naira, spread your balance, and have one of those units to yourself. So you don't have to always come to Lagos or come to Nigeria and always have to just lodge in an Airbnb or hotel. You can just have this just right there in one corner for you. So anytime you're around or anytime you're around the vicinity, you can come into your unit. And the good thing also, now let me tell you a disclaimer. A minute. I don't want anybody to know. Now, this is a good news. If you are buying and for investment purpose, probably you want to use it whenever you're not around. You just want to make sure that the property is still giving you more money. That, I mean, like short-let investment. Yes, the company manages your short-let for you. Now, there's a particular, for this studio apartment, you can make at least 25,000 naira daily. And between 15 to 20 days, most of the time, there's occupancy. I'm not going to give the word guaranteed because that's a disclaimer, but at least from my analysis, from my experiences, and for what I've seen so far based on the demand, most of the time, occupancy are usually more than 15 days. That's half of the month. So if you're making like 25,000 naira monthly, times it by at least 15 days. I would say 20 days, but let's just give it at 15 days because of you want to look at worst case scenario. So that's like, I don't know, 25K that's 15. Sorry, forgive my maths. I struggled to like have credits when I was doing my work. Well, that's why I had to study mass communication, because I'm like, oh my goodness, what course can I do that I don't have to do mathematics? And I had mass com, but unfortunately I still did statistics. Well, don't ask me how I passed. I did. If I didn't, I wouldn't be here. So I'm a full-blown graduate, yes. I'm proud, yes, leave me. If you know the maths, fine. You know they give me money for account. Well, he does, but he doesn't too. But let's go back. Check the screen, yes. I will do the calculation, check the screen. 25 times 15. You know what we're talking about. Then the mini flat can guarantee you close to like 50,000 naira daily. Yeah, so that's like twice the amount. 50 times 15. Don't ask me. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 1, 5. I don't know. Just check the screen. You're sure you are seeing. Leave me. Don't worry if you ask me now that Tosin, how much do you need in your bank account? Trust me, I know the figure. Sharp. And that one used to stay in my head. So what are we talking about? All you need to do is to subscribe. Please come subscribe. The price is changing anytime. Nothing is fixed, because you know what the currency is like. It's unstable right now. So you don't want to miss out on this price which we're giving to you right now. Few months ago, the price that I'm calling right now is the totally different price with what it used to be. Right now, it's now selling at this price, and this price is still not the stable price. It's not the fixed price. I don't want you to call me later. Maybe you keep procrastinating, and I'm like, oh yes, we just have like 3 units left or 2 units left. Oh no, man, no sir. You can't get it for 25 anymore. It's probably 30 or 35. You're like, Tosin, why? So I don't like to be the bearer of bad news. So that's why you need to call me right now. Let me get you this investment. Just make a down payment. October, you get your keys. You're ready to move in to this property, and you get, if you want to use it for short-let, it's fine. If you want to stay there, it's fine. If you want to put it off for rent, but why would you do that? But if you want to, it's also fine. call me right there and call us on the right number shown right here on the screen, and we'll bring this juicy offer to you and lots more. It's a pleasure to have you watch this video to the end. I hope you stick around because I'll be back again to give you another juicy offer. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell if you are yet to do so, because I will always bring you juicy offer like this and lots more. And you can visit our website at www.estateInformant.com for more property listings. Or follow us on all of our social media platforms on TikTok, on X, on Facebook, on Instagram at Estate Informant. It's a great honor to have you watch this video again to the end. I am super happy. Thank you. Thank you. You watched my video from the beginning to the end. No, then just call me if you know you did that. Just call. Subscribe and call me. I have a special package for you. But you must subscribe before you can key into my special package. I look forward to seeing you next time. Stay tuned, stay blessed, because I'll be right back.